everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. In this video, we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 27th of January 2022. These CDs is beneficial for all banking exam aspirant. Okay, so now question number 1. Which bank signed Memorandum of Understanding with Gujarat International Finance Tax City Special Economic Zone Limited to expand financial service and improve customers' overall financial service offering? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Kotak Mahindra Bank. So recently the Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited has signed MOU with Gujarat International Finance Tax City Special Economic Zone, also known as Gift Says Limited, which is the wholly owned subsidiary of Gift City. They have signed MOU to boost financial service and in exchange customers' overall financial service offering. They will work to promote GIFT International Financial Service Center jurisdiction of alternate investment fund structure. Apart from that, they will arrange seminars to inculcate ease of doing business along with a global custody service. They will grant easy market access and also they will also support cross-border activities for the funds management community. Do remember the headquarters of GIFT situated in Gandhinagar in Gujarat and the headquarters of Kotak Mahindra Bank situated in Mumbai. Okay, so now question number 2. Who was appointed as a Unity Small Finance Bank's independent chairman? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Vinod Rai. So recently the Reserve Bank of India has approved the appointment of Vinod Rai, former Controller and Audit General of India, as an independent chairman of Unity Small Finance Bank Limited. Okay, so now question number 3. Who was appointed as the MD of LIC? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is BC Patnaik. So recently BC Patnaik has taken charge as the Managing Director of LIC, also known as Life Insurance Corporation of India. He was appointed as a Managing Director by Government India. Notification date on July 5th, 2021. Apart from that, he joined LIC of India in March 1986 as a Director Recruit Officer. Do remember the headquarters of LIC situated in Mumbai? Apart from that, LIC was founded on 1st September in year 1956 and the chairman is M.R. Kumar. Okay, so now question number 4. Which organization will invest USD 150 million in the construction of data centers specialized to serving growing Asia? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. So recently the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank will be investing in the development of data centers which will be dedicated to serving in emerging Asia. The Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank will be investing USD 150 million for the same. In this regard, the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank will arrange funds through the Keppel Data Center Fund 2. Apart from that, the Keppel Data Center Fund 2 is the private equity vehicle managed by the Alpha Investment Partners Limited. This investment will be Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank first data center project. Apart from that, the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank will invest USD 100 million through parallel fund structure and USD 50 million through co-investment in Keppel Data Center Fund 2. Do you remember the headquarters of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank situated in China? Okay, so now question number 5. Which small finance bank established the Platina Fixed Deposit program with a minimum fixed deposit value of rupees 20 lakh and the maximum fixed deposit amount of rupees 2 crores? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. So recently the Ujjivan Small Finance Bank launched the Platina Fixed Deposit Scheme. It grants interest of 15 basis points in addition to the term deposit rates of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. The interest amount will be received monthly or quarterly or at the end of the maturity period will be received. Do remember the minimum fixed deposit amount is rupees 20 lakhs and the maximum amount of fixed is rupees 2 crore. The tenure ranging from 1 year to the 5 years. Okay. Apart from that, the headquarters of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank situated in Bangalore. Okay, so now question number 6. Which renewable energy company has set up a joint venture with US-based Fluence in order to provide energy storage solution in India? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Renew Power. So recently the Renew Power to set up a joint venture with US-based Fluence in order to provide energy storage solution in India. Therefore, the agreement was signed between both the units. The operation of joint venture will be commenced in the first half of 2022. They will offer battery energy storage system solution in Indian market. Okay, so now question number 7. Who has signed a pact with University of Oulu, Finland to accelerate research and standardization in 6G technology? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Geo Platforms. So recently the Geo Platform has signed a pact with the University of Oulu, Finland to accelerate research and standardization in 6G technology. The Geo Platform and the University of Oulu will collaborate in research and development of aerial and space communication, also in 3D connected intelligence in cybersecurity, microelectronics, and also in photonics. Apart from that, the collaboration will develop competency with 6G enabled products in the defense, automotive, white goods, industrial machinery, consumer goods, efficient manufacturing, novel personal smart device environment, and experience such as urban computing and autonomous traffic setting. Okay, so now question number 8. Which organization established the first merchant shareholding program in the world? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Bharat Pay. So recently the Bharat Pay has launched the world first merchant shareholding program. It is launched for its merchant partner community. The program is worth of rupees 100 million. Under the program, Bharat Pay will offer its merchant partners and customer an opportunity to purchase Bharat Pay equity shares. Apart from that, on purchasing equity shares of Bharat Pay, the customer will become its partner. The program was launched with the aim to become a public listing by 2024. In this regard, the Bharat Pay has set public listing target of value of USD 1 billion. Apart from that, the merchant shareholding program will create wealth for merchant partners and will offer initial public offering, also known as IPO, along with equity. Do you remember the headquarters of Bharat Pay situated in New Delhi? Okay, so now tell me, who is the CEO of Bharat Pay? Please write your answer in the comment section. Okay, so now question number 9. The Asian Development Bank approved USD dash million loan for India's National Industrial Corridor Development Program. So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 250 million. So recently the Asian Development Bank has approved USD 250 million, that is around rupees 1875 crores loan to support India's National Industrial Corridor Development Program. This is the first sub-program of the program of launching USD 500 million loans to develop 11 industrial corridors spanning in 17 states. Okay, so now last question. According to the Reserve Bank of India working paper, the optimum age ratio for the external commercial borrowing raised by firms in India is estimated at dash percentage. So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 63%. So according to the Reserve Bank of India working paper, the optimal hedge ratio for external commercial borrowings raised by firms in India is estimated at 63% for the period of high changes in the foreign exchange market. The optimal hedge ratio is the ratio that implies the percentage of total assets or liability exposure that an entity ought to hedge against exchange rate fluctuations. According to the paper, domestic economic activity and movements in the exchange rate of the Indian rupee are two major factors influencing the external commercial borrowing issuance. Apart from that, depreciation of the Indian rupee has adverse impact on the issuance of external commercial borrowings in the short as well as in long term. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you like this session. These were the important news and events for today which are related to the business, economics and financial sector. We meet again with some more important current affairs. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and please do not forget to subscribe GK Today.